Good day mga nakshi! This is your teacher Camille and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video lesson, ang topic natin is finding the value of the unknown variable and angles of a parallelogram. So yesterday's lesson, kadugtong nito. So it is all about finding the value of the unknown variable, sides, and diagonals ng parallelogram. So, it's time for us to discuss yung unknown variable and angles naman ng parallelogram. But before that, let us recall the different conditions that which guarantee that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. I-recall lang natin yung mga conditions about the sides and diagonals. So, sa sides, okay, so it is parallelogram if the opposite sides of a quadrilateral are congruent and parallel. And for the diagonals naman, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, so that is all about the conditions which guarantee that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram for the sides. So this time, let us have the angle. So alam natin na for the angles naman, we have it is a parallelogram if opposite angles are congruent and also if consecutive angles are supplementary angles. Okay? So, yun yung mga mamimension natin sa lesson na to. So, let us have our first example. Given the quadrilateral ABCD, the measure of angle A is 100 degrees. What is the angle measurement of the other angles? So, para mas madali natin siyang masagutan, pwede natin siyang i-illustrate. So, if you're going to illustrate the given, we have a quadrilateral here, name ABCD. And yung measurement daw ng angle A natin, given na yan, 100 degrees. So, ang hinahanap dito, ano yung sukat ni angle B, sukat ni angle C, at sukat ni angle D. So, yun yung mga hanapin natin. So, class, kapag may mga ganitong tanong na meron ng isang angle na given, madali na lang po natin na makukuha yung sagot dun sa remaining unknown angles. Basta tatandaan nyo lang yung mga conditions natin. Okay? So, opposite angles ng isang parallelogram, kasi we are assuming here that it is a parallelogram, di ba? So, ang opposite angles ng ating parallelogram, they are congruent. When we say congruent, they are equal in measurement. And isa pang condition natin in terms of the angles, consecutive angles are supplementary angle. Pag sinabi natin consecutive, pair of consecutive angle, magkasunod. Dalawang angle na magkasunod. Halimbawa, angle A and B, angle B and angle C, angle C and angle D, angle A and angle D. Those are consecutive angles. Pag inad natin yung measurement nila, ang sagot ay 180 degrees. That's why they are supplementary angles. So, dahil meron na tayong given measurement ni angle A, mas madali kung kukunin natin yung opposite angle niya, which is angle C. So, we know that opposite angles are congruent. Ibig sabihin, the measure of angle A is congruent to its opposite, the measure of angle C. If angle A is 100 degrees, ibig sabihin, ang angle C natin is 100 degrees din. So, 100 din ito. Ayan, di ba? 100 din yan, okay? Next natin, wala naman tayo ngayong ang kailangan nating hanapin ay si angle B at saka si angle D. Dito, gagamitin natin yung condition na kapag dalawang magkasunod na angle daw, supplementary angle. So, ibig sabihin, para magawa natin yon, we have the measure of angle A, yung given, plus the measure of angle B, the unknown, is equal to 180 degrees because they are supplementary angles. Then, supply lang natin or substitute lang natin yung given measurement ni angle A. So, we have here 100 degrees. I'm sorry, it's 100 degrees. Ayan. That's it for the measure of angle A, 100 degrees plus the measure of angle B, ito yung unknown, equals 180 degrees. And the next natin is we need to isolate the measure of angle B. So, ililipat natin si 100 degrees dun sa kabila. Okay, so we have, pag nilipat mo magiging minus or negative. The measure of angle B is equal to 180 minus 100. Ibig sabihin, ang measurement ng angle B ay 80 degrees. So, ito ay 80 degrees. Okay? Now, meron na tayong measurement ng angle B. Si angle D na lang. Ano sa tingin niyo yung sagot? Okay. So, yung sagot natin will now depend on what is the measurement of angle B. Since angle B is opposite to angle D, therefore they are congruent. Pag sinulat natin yun, we have the measure of angle B is congruent to the measure of angle D. Meaning to say, if the measure of angle B is 80 degrees, therefore the measure of angle D is also 80 degrees. Ganyan lang siya. So, kumpleto na yung angle measurement ng ating quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay? So, let's have another example. Yung next example natin, naka-illustrate na siya. Okay? So, we have this one. We have quadrilateral J, U, D, E. So, meron tayo ditong symmetric sign. O, may angle sign na yung R, tapos may tick pa siya. So, automatic, itong U at saka E, they are congruent angle. So, in the measure of angle J and D are congruent. So, we need to identify first, since ang mga measurement given dito ay binomial or it is an algebraic expression, meron tayong variable na kailangan ma-identify ano yung variable na yan. Okay po. So, hahanapin na muna natin yung value ng variable x na yan. So, the measure of angle J is congruent to the measure of angle D. Sa-substitute mo lang yan. Yung measure of angle J na nasa given, ilalagay mo lang dyan, pati yung kay D. So, the measure of angle J, ito siya, 3x minus 15, ayan. And then yung D naman, 2x plus 25, ito siya. Okay? Tapos, ano na natin to, co-combine similar terms na natin. Lahat ng may variable x, lagay mo sa left. Lahat ng constant, lagay mo sa right. So, magta-transpose ka lang. So, it will become 3x minus 2x. Ito, nilipat mo. So, minus 2x. Then, 25. Ito lang siya. Hindi ka maglilipat dyan. Move mo lang siya. Minus 15 will become plus 15. So, 3x minus x is x. 25 plus 15 is 40. The value, therefore, of a variable x is 40 degrees. Hindi pa to yung sagot mo. Value pa lang to ng variable x. Now, to get the value of the measure of angle J, isa-substitute mo yung nakuha mong value ng x dito dun sa given measurement na binomial ni angle J. So, the measure of angle J is 3x minus 15. Substitute mo lang yung x, which is 40. 3 times 40 is 120. 120 minus 15, the measure of angle J therefore is 105 degrees. So, hindi na ito ang measurement niya. Ang measurement na ngayon ni J ay 105 degrees. For D naman, ganun din. Measure of angle D is 2x plus 25. Substitute mo yung x ng 40. Ayan. 2 times 40 is 80 plus 25 ay 105 degrees. So, makikita nyo dito, J is congruent to D. Therefore, pareho tayo ng makukuhang measurement ni D. Now, for U and E naman, U and E, they are supplementary pero wala naman given na measurement for U and E. So, ang gagawin natin is gamitin natin sa consecutive angle. So, the measure of angle J is plus the measure of angle U, yung unknown, is equal to 180 degrees. Substitute mo lang yung measure ng angle J mo ay 105. So, ito siya, yung 105. Ayan. Dito po yan galing ha, dito. Plus, ayan po. So, isolate natin si measure of angle U. Si 105, lipat mo sa kabila. Sorry, hindi ko natanggal yung L. So, we have 180 minus 105. The measure of angle U, therefore, is 75 degrees. Okay? Meron ka ng measure ng angle U. And then, since meron ka ng measure ng angle U, ang next na gagamitin natin na condition is the measure of angle U is congruent to the measure of angle E. Kasi magkatapat sila, congruent sila. Okay, so the measure of angle U is 75 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle E is also 75 degrees. So, that's how to deal with the unknown value of angle ng isang parallelogram. I hope meron kayong naintindihan. If kung meron, pwede mo itong i-share sa inyong mga friends. And huwag mo na rin kakalimutan mag-like and mag-share. Bye-bye!